Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix USB device is not recognized in Windows 10. So let's begin our video. Guys, if you connect any kind of USB devices in your PC but it's not recognized, how can you solve this problem? In this video I will show that. So for that you just need to at first check your USB device with another PC or laptop. Your USB devices is okay or not. If your USB device is okay, then um, b- you need to follow some tips on your PC. So for that you just need to go on this here start button and right click on your mouse, and then you just need to go on the device manager option. Now you just need to go on here, human interface devices. Select on this arrow icon and go on the last position. There have two options for USB input devices, USB input devices. So select and the first one, then right click on your mouse, then you need to update this driver. In the same way, just go on second, right click on your mouse, update this driver. After completely update this driver, you just need to restart your PC, and after that if you connect your USB device, then it's recognized. So in this way you can solve this problem. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.